Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you all how to make this beautiful bow tie for both men and women. The materials you'll need for this bow ties are some measuring tape, gum of choice. I'm using the hot glue gun and the UHU gun. You need some brooches. So I had like varieties, for options. You need some brooch pins. You need a lighter and chalk, scissors, and of course you need your ribbons. So for this particular style, I'm making use of a pair of 6 inches ribbon, 2 pairs of 5 inches ribbon, and 1 piece of 5 inches. So I wanted to do another style, but then I decided to change my mind. So the last pair, I cut it for 4 inches each. So you just need like 1 piece of 8 inches. You get 1 piece of 8 inches to make this particular style I'm showing you guys. So what you do first is to place both pieces of 5 inches like that, and then cut it the way you see me cut it. Then you overlap it. Use your lighter to burn out the fray out the edges, and overlap it and add your UHU gum to fix it in place. It's pretty simple. Then the next pair of 5 inches, you fold it so. Use your lighter to fray out the edges as seen. When even fraying it out, the folds will gum together. You don't even need to attach gum. So you do that to the second part of the 5 inch. Fold it in exactly like that. So I'm going to be doing that for the 5 inch, the 6 inch, and then you'd see what I'm going to be doing next. So then I take the 6 inches first, both sides, and place it on both ends of the first V ribbon I made. I attach my gum there. So I decided to zoom it in so you guys can see what I was doing. After attaching the 6 inch at the edge of both sides, I decided to take the other pair of 5 inch that I folded, like when you guys saw me in the previous clip. I attached that in the middle on top of the 6 inches. Next, I'm going to be taking the pair of 4 inches like that. I said you guys should cut out 8 inches instead of 4 inches like I did. So I'm going to be taking that pair and making like a bow tie on top of it. So like you see, I was trying to see if I could add more here, but I didn't like it. So I changed my mind, like I told you guys. This is what I wanted to do. It was not looking fine, so I didn't like it. So I decided to change it, attach it from the middle, fold it like that to the middle, to get this like bow effect. So that was what I did with the pair of 4 inches, which I told you guys to just cut a straight 8 inches. So you don't need to like fold 2. But if you don't want to, you can as well, cut out 4 inches like I did. Use your lighter to gum it together with the fold, then attach it in the middle like you see. So I'm just going to attach that with my UHU gum. In fact, you don't really need hot glue gun for this, because in fact UHU gum did the work for me. So after attaching that, I'm going to take the 1 piece of 5 inch that is left and do the same thing in the middle of you know, the same place I just attached, you know. It's pretty simple. Just follow me, follow what I'm doing. Like you can see, I'm just going to repeat, you know, to make it like a double bow. So I'll use my lighter. It's just pretty simple. If you've watched up to here and you're not subscribed to my channel, please do not be a stranger. Kindly hit that big red subscribe button below this video to join the channel. Don't forget to click on the all notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. After I was done making the double bow, I decided to try out the brooches I had. Oh my god, this would have looked so beautiful if this brooch were in, you know, the color royal blue or maybe gold. But the color green did not just fit the royal blue bow tie, but this would have looked so beautiful. It would have just, you know, given it the perfect Victorian style bow tie that I was looking for. But I had to make use of what I have, so I decided to go in with this smaller gold brooch, which also made it look beautiful. Next, I took out the brooch pin that was behind the gold brooch. Then I attached the brooch to my bow tie like you see me do using my UHU gum. You can make use of hot glue gun at this point, anyone that you know just works best for you. After that, I took a piece of felt. I didn't have the black color. If this felt is just like a softer part of stay. Then I cut it twice in the middle, looped my elastic band through it, and then use my UHU gun to attach it at the back of the bow tie like this. I also attached the brooch pin I removed from the brooch behind. So if my client wants to, you know, just pin it, he can pin it. If he wants to tie it, he can tie it. So I was actually making this for a client. Guys, you know, it's actually simple and easy to make things for clients than making for yourself. Ever since I made this, I've been saying I want to make a piece for myself. But I've not just gone ahead to do it, but I'm going to do it. I'll definitely do it. So after attaching that, then I attached my brooch pin in front. And voila, as you can see, oh my gosh, it turned out so beautiful. Like, guys, tell me I'm gonna try this. You don't need to wear boring bow ties, you know. You can bring back this Victorian style, you know, bow tie, and it looks so touche, so lush, so gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm loving every bit of it. Look at the details. The velvet, I used a velvet satin, a velvet ribbon for this. You can use a plain satin for it. Oh my god, it turned out so beautiful. What do you guys think? Are you going to be trying this out? Are you going to try it? Do you think I tried my best? Because I absolutely loved it. Like, it turned out so beautiful. You can actually add some pearls at the end, you know, of these ribbons. You can embellish it anyhow you want to embellish it, guys. Oh my gosh, it turned out way better than I expected, guys. And as I'm, you know, doing this voiceover, I am definitely going to be making one for myself. Maybe in color black. You know, black goes with everything. So maybe in color black, I'm going to be doing that in color black. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to do all the good stuff. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to leave a comment. I love to read from you. If there's anything that's confusing for you, please leave it in the comment section and then I'll get back to you guys. So this is me just trying to, you know, package it for my clients. First off, I'm just going to, you know, make it smell nice. You know. So that when he's unboxing it, it's going to be like a box of, you know, that smells so nice. So I was pairing that with a I don't know what they call these, but you know, the men would know. And I added another longer boot tie for the guy. So it was just like a gift set I was doing. So then that is it. Thanks for watching. Hugs and kisses. I love you guys. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.